three layers: the sclera, retina, and the cornea. Now moving with the first one, sclerotic layer, made up of tough fibrous tissue and is white in color. The white portion on the front of the eye is the sclerotic layer, itself visible through the conjunctiva. It bulges out and becomes transparent in the front region where it covers the colored part of the eye, and this is called as the cornea. Sometimes this cornea, certain patient becomes opaque and non-functional. In these cases, this is being replaced by the donated eye. Okay. Donation of the eye. Normally what happens in humans, the eyes remain, cornea remains alive up to 40 hours and the eye for 4 hours. So within 4 hours, if you remove the eye of the dead patient, you can store it in the eye bank and can be used further. The choroid layer, richly supplied with the blood vessels providing nourishment, and contains a dark black pigment called melanin. It may depend, some may have bluish, some may have brown or black in color, which prevent the light rays from reflecting and scattering the eye. It is being supported and expanded to form the ciliary body. The smooth muscles alter the shape of this lens. So with the help of this ciliary muscles which is present near the eye, the size of the lens is reduced and increased so that the nearby objects and far or distant objects can be observed. Inside the cornea you also have iris. Iris, the linings which are being shown. आइज़ के साइड पे जो लाइंस प्रेजेंट है, दिस इज़ द आई. तो यहाँ पे ये जो स्ट्रक्चर है, सी इफ आई शो यू इन दिस फिगर, इन दिस ब्लैक पोर्शन यू हैव अ वाइटिश वन विच इज़ कॉल्ड एज पीपल. और पीपल के आसपास ऐसे रेज होते हैं, एट दिस ऑल रेज टुगेदरली कॉल्ड एज इरिस डायफ्राम. It works as a camera over here because it is the one which will regulate the size of the pupil. Okay, see, the iris is also an extension of choroid, partially covering the lens and leaving a circular opening in the center. The brown or black color of the eye refers to the color of this iris only. A pupil is being derived from the Latin one, that is doll, which in this context refers to the tiny image of an object or reflected back. Okay, the pupil is nothing but the pupil, the doll, pupa, that is doll. Similarly यहाँ पे लाइट रिफ्लेक्ट हो रही है टाइनी ऑब्जेक्ट पे एंड देन यू कैन ऑब्जर्व द इमेजेस. द इरिस कंटेन्स रेडियल मसल्स सो दैट द एडजस्टमेंट ऑफ द साइज ऑफ द पिपल कैन बी रेगुलेटेड. ओके, इन डिम और डार्क लाइट द पिपल इज डायलेटेड वाइल इन द ब्राइट लाइट इट इज कंस्ट्रिक्टेड. इसलिए आपको मालूम है कि डार्क लाइट होगी तो पिपल का साइज बड़ा हो जाता है सो दैट यू कैन सी, एंड इफ इन दी bright light it becomes smaller so that the not large amount of light can enter inside your eyes. Then comes the retina. Okay, the retina or the innermost layer is sensitive to the light and it contains two type of the sense cells called the rod cells and cone cells. The rod cells work during the dim light but not during the day. They contain the pigment called rhodopsin or the visual purple. These are distributed throughout the retina, while cone cells are sensitive to bright light or the color visions. It contains the pigment called iodopsin, and cone are mostly confined to the yellow spot. Okay, we'll see what is yellow spot. One more thing, the rod cells works only during the night, while in the daytime the cone cells works, which are responsible for the color vision. Iodopsin pigment which is present, it is the mixture of three types of pigments for the primary colors: red, green and yellow. ओके, मतलब इरिथ्रो, देन क्रोमो एंड योर जैसे कैमो. तो इन सब के लिए यू हैव दिस थ्री डिफरेंट पिगमेंट्स. अगर इनमें से कोई एक पिगमेंट आपकी आइज़ में प्रेजेंट नहीं है, सो दैट पर्टिकुलर कलर इज़ नॉट बीइंग ऑब्जर्व. ओके, द पर्सन इज कॉल्ड एज कलर ब्लाइंड फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर कलर. सी द डिफरेंस ऑफ द रॉड सेल एंड कोन सेल्स. Rods more in number, cones less. They are mostly present on the periphery, they are present in the center. They are very sensitive to low levels of illumination. As I told you, dark में ही activate होते हैं. Cone for bright light. One type of rod cells stimulate by most of the wavelength except the red. ओके, जितने भी टाइप के रॉड सेल्स है उसमें से एक है जो रेड के अलावा सारे कलर्स के लिए विजिबल है. Over here, as I told you, three types of cone cells are present for three different colors. Rapid regeneration of light sensitive pigment therefore can perceive flicker well, while यहाँ पे slower होगा. इन रोडोप्सिन रोडोप्सिन इज़ दी ओनली केमिकल जो ब्रेन तक सेंसेशन पास कर रहे हैं, सो दैट इज़ बीइंग डन वेरी फास्ट. While cone cells, as it is for the color, so you take some few seconds to identify it. Okay, so this is about the 3 layers. And moving to yellow spot, that is the area of the best vision. The distribution of rod and cone cells is not uniform. A particular spot called the macula lutea, that is pitch yellow or simply yellow spot, or the fovea centralis, it lies at the back of the eye and has maximum number of sensory cells, that is cone cells. As a result, this is the region of the brightest vision and also the color vision, and the rest of the retina contains the cone cells or the rod cells. Yellow spot is the place of the best vision, and this is the reason why you move your eyes from word to word as you read a line through a printed पेज. ओके, जैसे आंखें घूम रही है आपकी, क्यों? क्योंकि यही येलो स्पॉट की वजह से आपको सारी चीज़ें दिख रही हैं. देन यू हैव ब्लाइंड स्पॉट, द एरिया वेयर नो विजन, बिकॉज यहाँ पे कोई सेंसरी सेल्स प्रेजेंट नहीं है. लेटरल टू द येलो on the nasal side is a blind spot. There is no sensory cells here, and therefore this is the point of no vision. This is the point at which the nerve fibers from the sensory cells of the retina, they are covered and bundled together to form the optic nerve. उनके सेंसरी सेल्स नहीं है, लेकिन इन्फॉर्मेशन कैरी करने वाले नर्व्स यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट है जो ऑप्टिक नर्व तक जा रहे हैं, एंड विच विल कैरी द कंडक्शन टुवर्ड्स द ब्रेन. सी they have shown one experiment to observe the blind spot. Close your right eye and hold the page at the arm's length and look at the circle with your left eye. You can see both the circle and the square from this distance, and as you bring nearer to this left side while drawing about 15 centimeter away, you cannot see it. That is nothing but the blind spot. Okay, because it is near the एरिया ऑफ योर यू कैन से नेजर ऑप्टिक नर्व्स के साइड पे, मतलब नीचे नाक के साइड पे लेके आओगे तब. ओके, देन मूविंग टू द मेजर पार्ट, दैट इज लेंस. द लेंस इज अ ट्रांसपेरेंट बाइकॉन्वेक्स crystalline body located just behind the pupil. It contains transparent lens fibers which are long thin cell. The lens is collectively held in the position called the suspensory ligament, okay, which is attached to the ciliary body. As I told you, lens are being held together with the help of the ciliary body. The ciliary body lies at the junction of the choroid and the iris, and this contains muscles which helps for the contraction and relaxation. As I told you, ciliary muscles के help से ही lens की size regulate होगी, can contract and relax, and so that you can see the far and nearby objects. Then moving to two chambers of the eye called aqueous and vitreous humor. Aqueous, by the name you can come to know, that is a liquid, watery liquid filled with a clearly watery liquid called aqueous humor. It keeps the lens moist and protects it from the physical shock. It also reflects the light. While vitreous, it is behind the lens filled with a transparent jelly-like thick fluid called the vitreous humor. मॉर्निंग में जब आप सो के उठते हो तो कभी कभी आँखों के पास जो कचरा आता है, दैट इज नथिंग बट द विट्रस. It helps in keeping the shape and helps the retina and its nerve ending to be moist. Okay, so this is about the structure of eye. In the eye structure, you can see each and everything. See, sclera, choroid, that is that below that layer. Then innermost, that is retina. Over here you have a blind spot, yellow spot. This is the lens. On both the sides you have ciliary muscles. Aqueous humor present on the front. Vitreous will be present on the back. You can see this portion. Okay, the pupil. Below that you have lens. Lens पे eye light reflect होगी. Then you have suspensory ligament. As we have seen right now, lens are being joined together or held together with the help of suspensory ligament. Okay, then over here below the optic nerve you have the blind spot. The structure of eye is important. The figure, it can be asked to draw also. In the next we'll see how the eye works, how the transmission of light takes place, and the conduction towards the brain.